What's going on, guys? This is our 2021 Prizm Draft Picks Football Mega One Box Break. Here's the owners list. We do have a few teams for sale. We have the Broncos, the Texans, the Saints, the Giants, here is our sealed box of Panini Prizm Draft Picks. Get this opened up, get the packs out. So here's our bonus pack. I'm gonna save that one for very last. What's up, Paul? How you doing? Alright. Here's the packs. I'm gonna get these opened up. If anyone like any of these teams, then you have until I start to show the first card. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna get started, guys. Good luck. Starting off, we got a Matt Ryan, got a Ryan Tannehill, got a Brandon Cooks, got a All-Americans, Mac Jones. Put that right there. Kalen Hill, Chris Carson, got an Aaron Jones. Ooh, got a Trey Lance. Got a Michael Carter, Patrick Surtain, Allen Robinson, Tyler Lockett. Whoa. Hey, got a Zach Wilson. T. Higgins, Dalvin Cook, got a Micah Parsons, All-Americans, Amara St. Brown, Got a Deshaun Watson, Lamar Jackson, Terrence Marshall Jr. Got a Kadarius Toney, James Robinson, Brandon Ayuk, Tyson Campbell, and Elijah Moore. I like getting the orange. This is nice. Alright, got a Crusades Mac Jones. Got Jalen Reagor, Sam Darnold, Dylan Moses, Kyle Trask. Got our All-Americans, Devontae Smith. Missed that Will Fuller Silver. Got a Jalen Waddle, Todd Gurley, Larry Fitzgerald, Patrick Jones. Got a Patrick Surtain, Henry Ruggs, Carson Wentz, Kwity Paye, Caleb Farley, and a Seth Williams. Kwity Paye is also a silver. Making sure I didn't miss any. Alright. Alright, last little stack here. Got a Justin Jefferson, Derek Carr, Julio Jones, Rashad Bateman. Ooh, this is a nice one. Got Aaron Rodgers, Gardner Minshew. Ooh, got an All-American Justin Fields. Got a Nico Collins and a Zach Wilson All-Americans. Nice to end it off on those two. And we got this Justin Fields. Cannot wait for him. The Bears didn't get a quarterback this year. I don't know if I would have watched. Would have been hard to watch. Alright guys, let's go to the bonus pack. I'm gonna open this one up. Good luck. This one is going to be a Osa an Osa O. Not gonna try to pronounce that. This one's not numbered. I have one sleeve left. Gotta get more. Alright, this guy. This is going out to the Dallas Cowboys. John W. Yo. This one's going out to the Cowboys. Alright guys, quick recap. Got this Osa O auto. Got a Justin Fields All-Americans. All-American Zach Wilson. Got a Crusade Mac Jones, Kyle Trask. Got a Silver Will Fuller. Got a Devontae Smith All-Americans, Jalen Waddle, Kwity Paye Silver. All-Americans, Orange Mac Jones, Trey Lance, and a Zach Wilson. Alright, so that's going to do it for this break. Next, we do have Luminance. So I would recommend coming out for that break. That's a very nice break. Other than that, if you're not tuning into that next break, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you guys in a few.